This week, Toughest Monster Truck Tour is going to Casper, Wyoming. Two Extreme Monster Trucks Live Tour is going to Tehachapi, California. Monster Truck Wars is going to Lumberton, North Carolina. And Levelland, Texas. Monster X Tour is going to Indigo, California. And to Fayetteville, North Carolina. No Limits Monster Trucks is going to Louisville, Mississippi. Monster Trucks PTY is going to Traralgon, East Australia. Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Live Glow and Fire is going to Abbenhausen, Germany, Trenton, New Jersey, and Peoria, Illinois. Those are all your independent monster truck shows coming up for this week.